You asked, how to divide 5625 by 4 using the long division method. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1406 remainder 1.